It's Lori with Team Cashy. Welcome to 8121 Indigo Ridge Terrace in the gated community of University Place. When you walk in this Bruce Williams just under 2,100 square foot home, you have 2 bedrooms and a full bath off to your left. The flooring in both of those bedrooms has been updated, so you have no carpet in this house. Really nice ceramic tile floor throughout the rest of the living area. 2-car garage, laundry room. You step back here into the living room and you have a tray ceiling with crown molding. Really nice, kind of a little bit more formal space that could also be used as a dining room, but these guys are using this as their dining room. A lot of nice space. That's a really big table, as you can see, so that seats at least like 8 to 10 people there. Over here, you've got the primary suite to your right, and that also has updated flooring in as well. This floor plan is a little bit different than the ones we've seen before. A lot of times there's an eating area here. These guys have a bar over here, which I really like. It's a ton of extra granite, lots of countertop space, stainless steel appliances in here, tons of storage. You've got a bonus room in the back of this house as well, along with some nice built-ins. And whenever you step out onto the lanai, you're going to see a beautiful pool, heated pool and spa. They do have a hurricane shutter here. Really nice corner lot, lots of privacy, backs up to a preserve. You have an extra space around there as well. And University Place is an awesome community, $112 a month. This house is coming on the market in just a couple days, so give us a call.